Namaste everyone, I am Dr. Trupti Bhatt and in Asangoham Yog YouTube channel you all are welcome. Today we are going to discuss something most beautiful about hair. Because hair is the most important part in everyone's life, whether it is man or woman. Because a beautiful hair, good healthy hair adds beauty to yourself. It enhances your beauty. And it adds confidence also. Healthy hair is a sign of good health. See, most of the time, everyone loses hair, few strands every day. And that is very natural. But when it becomes significant and you have to notice about it, you have to be extra careful about it, when it shows excessive loss. And reasons for excessive hair loss are so many. Maybe because of pollution, hormonal imbalance in your body, dryness of scalp, vitamin deficiencies, and so on. So once you notice that there are few signs of excessive hair loss, after bath, if you see a bunch full of hair in your washroom, that is the first sign you should notice. That has to be taken care of. If you don't see your wrong lifestyle, you have to manage your wrong lifestyle with good healthy habits. See, lots of hair in your washroom, that is the first sign. Then hair becomes dry, so rough and frizzy. It is difficult to comb. So that is also one of the sign of weak hair. Then split ends to your hair. So these things you should be taken care with lifestyle management, add vitamins to your diet, healthy diet, then regular massage to your hair. Regular massage with almond oil, maybe cedarwood oil and coconut oil. This oiling or massaging to your scalp adds massage with your fingertips, add blood supply to your hair. Lots of water. Actually, you should drink half a glass of water every half an hour. You have plenty of water in a day to avoid dehydration to your scalp and to your skin. It's very, very important. And beautiful tips about yoga. Yoga should be in the daily routine to have normal, healthy life. Not just for hair, but all over health. So today, I'm going to show you few very simple techniques by practicing that you can have a nice, bouncy, healthy, shiny, long hair. So let's do it. So first tip to improve your hair or the health to your hair is Balayam. Balayam is rubbing your nails just like it. Just curl your fingers and touch tip of your nails with each other with both the hands, and you should rub it. Rubbing nails against each other improves blood circulation to your hair. And this technique is called Balayam. This rubbing you can do 5 to 7 minutes morning and evening, both times. It's very simple and easy. You can immediately feel some tingling in your fingertips that shows that nerves are getting stimulated and that improves your blood circulation to your hair. Let's do second Yoga Asana pose, and that is very, very simple. That is Sishya Asana or child pose. So for that, you have to sit in Vajrasana. Vajrasana is folding your knees and you have to sit on it. And I'll show you sideways. You have to sit with the spine straight. And then slowly, you have to bend forward and bring your forehead on the floor. I'll show you front view. For child pose, you have to sit in Vajrasana, rolling your shoulders back with your spine straight. Stretch your palms in front of your head and slowly bring your forehead on the floor. Breathing there for 2 minutes. It improves blood circulation to your head. Whenever we are bending forward, lots of blood circulation goes to your head area. And again, it improves your hair health. If you cannot place your forehead on the floor, you can just take the help of your palms and you can place your head on your palms. You can remain in child pose as per your comfort, 2 to 5 minutes. And one magical thing about child pose is it improves blood circulation not just to your head but to your face also. So it improves shine and glow to your face also. So child pose is a very beautiful pose for the all over your head and neck and hair health. One more asana for hair is camel pose. So once again, we are sitting in Vajrasana and then slowly we'll be kneeling posture. We'll be sitting in kneeling posture. So you have to stand on your knees, keeping your spine straight. Have a little distance between your knees. Then you have to support your back with your palms. Supporting back with your palms. Slowly, keeping your back straight, you have to bend backward as much as you can. And slowly come back. Once again, I'll show you how to drop your head and neck back. So when you support your back with your palms, fingers touching each other and thumb at the waist, then slowly start bending backward. And once you are reaching at a certain point, just drop your head and neck back and stay there. Then slowly come back. This is one variation of Ustrasana. There is one more variation you can do so. So for that, once again, go to kneeling posture and then slowly roll your hand and place it on your heel. Same way, the other hand. Once your hand reaches your heels, slowly drop your head and neck back. And stay there. Slowly come back and roll your hands same way when you have started the pose. And slowly sit on your heels. Come back to normal position. And if you want, you can do one more time child pose to counter it or the counter pose of Ustrasana. Exhale fully. Bring your forehead on the floor. Stay there. Relax in child pose. And slowly you can come up and you can feel this relaxation. And you can sit normally in Sukhasana. So whatever asana you do with forward bending, the head turns down, that improves blood circulation to your head. That plays very important role for the health of your head. So let's do one more asana, that is Yoga Mudra. So for Yoga Mudra, if you are comfortable, you can sit in Padmasana or Ardha Padmasana. Then take your hands back. Hold your left wrist with your right hand. And then slowly, inhaling, turn your face upward. Arching your back. Keeping your knee on the floor. Exhale, bend forward and down. And bring your forehead in the center. Inhale, come up. Now turn your face to your right side, towards your right knee, and bring your forehead to your right knee. Inhale, come up, and turn to the left side, and bring your forehead to your left side, left knee. Inhale, come up, and relax your hands, relax your leg, and you can sit comfortably, easily. So today we have learned few techniques and few asanas. We'll do one more technique, and that is Hasta Padasana. So inhaling, raise your arms up, Hasta Uttanasana. Exhale, bend forward and down, Hasta Padasana. Bring your forehead to your knee. If you cannot touch your forehead to your knee, you can slightly bend your knee and try to bring your forehead to your knee. Stay there for 6 breaths. Slowly raise your head up. Keep looking in front of your face. And slowly inhaling, come up. One last asana we will do, that is Adho Mukha Svanasana or downward facing dog. So for that, you have to once again stand up. Bring your palms on the floor and legs away. Bring your forehead down as much as possible. Your body is inverted V shape. And bring your crown towards the floor as much as possible. Relax in your shoulders. Stay. Downward facing dog. And then slowly Bend your knees. Relax in Vajrasana. And you can come back to a normal position. Wow, so amazing. It gives so much relaxation when your head is supplied with lots of blood circulation. Yeah? And it gives lots of freshness to your mind, glow to your face, and health to your hair. Yeah? So for long, bouncy, shiny hair, these are the yoga tips, and these are the natural tips, what you should eat, how you should drink. And one more thing, have enough of sleep. That also plays a very important role for your overall health. And whatever asana we did, and just not for hair, but it regulates your hormones. So today we have learned Balayam. Let's do the recap of this session. So first tip is Balayam. Second is child pose. Then we did Yoga Mudra, Adho Mukha Svanasana. And one more very important thing you should do is you squeeze your face. Exhale fully. Squeeze your face, squeeze your eyes, squeeze your muscles of all over the face tightly. And then release. Once again, squeeze your eyes. And release. This gives lots of nerve action. This stimulates lots of nerves, sympathetic and parasympathetic nerves, and it brings lots of glow to your face and to your hair. So these are the amazing tips about hair and face. One more last tip I would like to share here is these yoga, practice of yoga. It improves all over your health. Lots of your hormonal imbalances, your thyroid gland, many a times with the age and the functions of the glands diminishes. But with the practice of yoga, it improves all over the vital systems. It improves your lymphatic systems also. So just inculcate yoga in your daily routines. Okay, lastly, have you subscribed to my channel? If not, then do it now. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, because as a yoga instructor and as a doctor, you will get all the beautiful tips about all-round holistic healing. So don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to receive notifications whenever I post the new videos, so that you will not miss out with any new videos which I post, and share with your friends and families. Namaste.